Gotta jump really quick because it's raining outside. It's part 2 of my LED add-ons. License plate lights. This is what I did. One of the things I want to change is this license plate light to LED. I read some articles saying that you can push this out by a picture, but if it does, I'm not sure because that thing looks like it's almost one piece. I don't see a seam. I mean, if it is, that sure is the tightest seam that I've ever seen. Because look at this. You know, everything's loose except for this. So, anyways, I went ahead and grabbed it from underneath. A lot of people have trouble reaching, and I have to agree. My big hands are a little bit tight to get underneath, but I'll show you what I did to change the bulb. So this light was actually sticking in the socket right here, and I went ahead and just twisted it to the left about yay much, and this pops out. And as you can see, it is a halogen bulb. So this pops out. It's pretty snug, as you can see. Here's the light. It has light here and a light here on the side. So you're just gonna jam it in here. So it's snug. Jesse, let's go ahead and turn on the parking light for me and test it.
Yeah, turn on the parking light.
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'll turn the parking light.
Thank you.
This is the parking light.
Okay, that's on. That's really bright, you can see here. Okay, I'm gonna flip it to see if it's polarity sensitive. If I could do it one-handed, I should put this on a tripod, but I guess I like my life difficult. And the answer is no. You can put it any direction you want. So this is gonna go back in here. If I'm patient enough. Yeah, push it all the way in, and then how you twist it, and I got it in there. All right. All I did is just squeeze my finger like that, my hand, but hey, it's in there. So you're gonna do that to the other side. Let's flip it out. Halogen LED. That's daytime. You can see a difference in brightness just by looking at it here. Again, halogen thing. So repeat twice. This is how you change that. Alright guys, you can see how bright these suckers are. You don't need to get these bright lights, but if you want your nameplate to be seen a mile away, these are the lights to get. I want to say thanks again for watching my channel, subscribing. Check out part 3 coming soon.